Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add manual bank in Xero. So we can add manual bank in two ways. So from charts of account you can add new bank. Okay, let me show you. So there is the add bank account option. So from here you can add bank. Otherwise you can go into the accounting menu and click on bank accounts. So from here also you can add new bank account. And in this video we are going to add manual bank account. Okay, we are not using bank feed. So this is our country and these are the most popular bank of UK. So I simply write the name of my bank, so HSBC, and you can also write last 3 or 4 digits of your account number if you want. Okay, so you can see here option add without bank feed, that means manual. So add account without bank feed, just click on continue. Now you need to enter basic details of the bank, just like bank name, then account name, whether it's a business account, current account, or deposit account. Similarly, you can select the type of account. Okay, this is our current account, so I simply select other. Now enter the account number. I simply enter randomly, and this is currency. Now add account. So you can see our account has been created. Now if you want to make any changes, then you can do it from here, edit account details. Okay, so you can modify the details and update the accounts from here. Now at the time of creation of bank account, we haven't entered any account number. Okay, you can see there is no code, so I simply click here and will enter unique code here, 612. Okay, it's available, so you can see 612 current account. And if you want to delete the account and you don't have any kind of transaction, then only you are able to delete account in this manner. Okay, so in this way we can add accounts manually. We can modify the accounts and we can delete accounts in Xero. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.